The market opens in 4 minutes, and you've been here since 5:47 a.m. 3 monitors, 1 cold coffee, and the life you imagined? This isn't it. You're 23. You're $94,000 in debt, and you thought this job would make you rich. But today, for the first time, you realize this job might break you first. You build models. You clean numbers. You don't complain. You've learned how to pull 5 critical lines from a 200-page report. Because here, survival runs on 3 things: speed, accuracy, and silence. Then one day, you see it. A mistake. Not small. A multi-million-dollar impact. You freeze. Do you say something? Or stay quiet? You fix it quietly. Because here's the rule. Credit flows up. Blame flows down. You work 14, sometimes 18 hours a day. You stop counting days. You start counting deals. You learn which managing director to stand near and which ones to avoid. You worked on a $430 million deal, but the client has never heard your name. Still, your numbers are in that boardroom. You're invisible, but the system stands on your work. 2 years later, you're in the room. Not the main room, the side room. But your first time sitting across from a CFO, and you don't flinch because you've run that scenario 40 times this week. You realize something. Preparation is your currency. A deal comes in, leveraged buyout. The numbers look perfect. The IRR is strong. But somewhere, jobs will be cut. You don't model that because no one asked you to. And slowly, you stop asking yourself. You learn the rules. Rule 1, hard work gets you in. Rule 2, relationships move everything. You lose a deal. Not because your numbers were wrong, but because someone else was in the chairman's private club. That's when it hits you.
Power isn't in Excel. It's in proximity. Now you're a VP. You don't just execute, you decide. Clients call you directly. You have access to information that isn't public. You don't trade on it, but you know. And in finance, knowing is leverage. Now you don't chase deals. You control flow. Billion-dollar mandates, global flights, private calls. You don't work for the bank anymore. You are the bank. Decisions aren't just about numbers now. They're about relationships. You win.
The money comes, the power comes, but your world gets smaller. Trust? Maybe 5 people. Everyone else? Transactions. 47 years later, you look back. You didn't beat the market. You became part of it. And the truth is, the system doesn't reward effort. It rewards predictability, trust, and positioning. At the same moment, a new 23-year-old logs into a terminal for the first time. He thinks this is about money. He has no idea what game he just entered. But he'll learn, just like you did. If you want to understand how money really works and what the system actually rewards, subscribe. Because here, we don't just talk about money. We decode power.